Let us learn about the Beck's triad. It is used for the diagnosis of cardiac tamponade. Cardiac tamponade is nothing but the accumulation of fluid in the pericardium which causes the compression of heart and leading to this triad. This triad consists of 3 Ds. The first D is the decreased blood pressure. This is because of the fluid accumulated in the pericardium compresses the heart and reducing its ability to pump blood effectively, leading to the decreased blood pressure. The second one of the triad is the distended jugular veins, which is because of the increased pressure in the pericardial sac due to accumulation of fluids. The third one of the triad is the diminished and muffled heart sounds. Thank you.